Sound waves. What exactly is a sound wave? Cannot we hear sound because we have ears? Is not that enough? To know the explanation, let's discuss it together. What are sound waves? Sound is a propagating wave produced by a vibrating object as the source of the sound. So, a sound wave is a wave that propagates through a certain medium. Sound waves are mechanical waves which are classified as longitudinal waves. Why longitudinal waves? Because the direction of sound propagation is the same, and it is said to be a mechanical wave because sound requires a medium for propagation. So, before reaching our ears, the sound coming from the sound source will propagate first in the air or water. There are three requirements for sound to be heard. 1. The source of the sound. 2. The medium of propagation. And 3. The listener. For example, if your friend is talking to you, you can hear what that friend is saying because the sound he says travels through the air. Imagine if the two of you were talking again in an airtight place. Your friend's voice would not be heard. Sound classification. Do you know that normally we can only hear sounds in the frequency range of 20 until 20,000 Hz? Those who can hear this sound are animals such as dogs, crickets, elephants, sharks, and spiders. In addition, infrasound sound is also used by seismometers to detect earthquakes. Audiosonic sound that has a frequency in the range of 20 until 20,000 Hz. Well, the sound can be heard by humans. Ultrasonic sound that has a frequency greater than 20,000 Hz or 20 kHz. Wow, that's a very high frequency. Because the sound is very high, so we cannot hear it, guys. Characteristic of sound waves. Sound is a longitudinal wave, only propagates through solid, surge, and gaseous mediums. In other words, it cannot propagate in a vacuum. Speed of sound waves. Through the media propagation first before reaching the ear. Well, the speed of sound propagation also depends on the medium of propagation. Solid medium. V equals the square root of E divided P. Description. V is speed of sound, E is Young's modulus, P is density. Sound propagates faster than other media because the constituents of solids are very dense. Liquid medium. V equals the square root of B divided P. The speed of sound through a liquid medium is lower than that of a solid medium. Gas medium. V equals the square root of V R T divided M. Description. V is speed of sound, Y is Laplace constant, R is general gas constant, T is gas temperature, M is relative molecular mass of gases. has the lowest propagation speed compared to the two previous mediums. Problems example. Estimate the speed of sound in a liquid such as water. P equals 1000 kg divided meter cubes, which has a bulk modulus of 2.18 times 10 to the 9 power Pascal. Answer like in the following picture.